and Happy New Year's 2022. It is our year. Okay, so as you can see, my place is still decorated with Christmas. It's still Christmas here. But I did want to pop in and say that 2021 was amazing. I got to work with a lot of you who have contacted me through this channel. And so I'm super grateful to have worked with the most incredible clients in the freaking world, and even those who have recently purchased my Verbal Power Academy. You've booked a one-on-one with me, so whether you've already booked with me and you already spoken to me, or the people who have booked with me in January, I really look forward to talking to you and just working together. I did burn out a little bit on my channel, so you'll notice that I haven't posted as much, but I'm going to get back on it just because I'm just gonna create content that I love. And if you don't resonate with it, then don't worry, I'm going to bring in the content that you love too. But you have to comment below and let me know what you like. But I'm going to bring in some breakdowns because I just love breakdowns. It just brings joy to my heart. And we got to do things to bring joy to our hearts. Okay, so from my house to yours, mi casa is su casa. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve and going into 2022. I hope to see you soon. All right, bye.